Okay, so good day everyone. We have here topic Boolean Algebra Basic or your chapter 7. Okay, of course, Boolean Algebra have a properties. So we have the commutative property. Commutative property number 1. So what is the commutative property for Boolean Algebra? So commutative property says that binary operation and or may be applied left to right or right to left. Okay, or what we say, A and B is the same as B and A, or for the OR gate, A or B is the same as B or A. Okay, so write the commutative law. A and B is also equal to B and A. That's for the OR gate, and for the AND gate, and for the OR gate, A or B is also equals to B or A. Okay, so that's the commutative property. The next, we have the associative property. Okay, so the associative property says that the given three Boolean variables, they may be ANDed or ORed right to left or left to right, and that is A and B and C is the same as A and B and C, or for the OR gate, A or B or C is the same as A or B or C. Okay, so let's write the associative property. It says A and B okay, so A and B and C is also equal to A and B and C. Okay, so that's the associative property. For the OR gate, we have A or B or C is equals to A or B or C. Okay, so that's the associative property. Okay, the next, the distributive property, we have here. The distributive property says that the given three Boolean variable, the first and the result of the second or the third is the same as the first and the second or the first and the third. Okay, so that's right. Okay, so A and B or C. Okay, so let's write A and B or C is equals to that is A and B or okay, so distributive property, or A and C. Okay, and the other one, we have A or B and C is equal to A or B and A or C. Okay, so let's write A or B and C is equals to A or B and A or C. A or C. Okay? So that's the distributive property. Okay? So I hope you understand the discussion through this video, and you can ask questions in our group chat messenger. Okay? So good day and God bless us all.